Hey folks, Danny here at Partey. Let's talk about some of our goals for early 2022. So, tomorrow I'll be uploading the Polaris demonstration, our final version of Polaris. It is our darkest gray screen, a very heavy contrast screen. As a matter of fact, on our website, we list it as under the black category. The reason for that is because it is a very heavy contrast screen. So we just want to make sure that people understand that it is not the typical gray screen. And then we'll follow sequentially with Vega, Vega Plus, and Daystar, soon to follow on the hills demo-wise. We'll also be rolling out a new product, which some of you may have seen on the website, which is called Alpha C. Now, we were originally going to be releasing this back in October, but due to some delays that we ran into, we'll be releasing that probably sometime in early February. And that will be a color matching mixture. And what you do is basically, in just a short overview, is you take it's comprised of our core mixture. So you would mix that with the paint of your choice to make the screen that you want to make. And we're going to offer it in possibly both specular and Lambertian. More than likely, we'll start with the specular side, but we will offer a Lambertian version at some point in time as well. In addition to Alpha C, sometime between March and April, we're going to be rolling out two Lambertian screens, a version of Vega and a version of Daystar, which will be Lambertian screens, meaning unity screens, right? We're looking for more of a unity gain. And those will be somewhere in the ballpark of about a 0.8 to a 0.85 gain. Work really well with ultra short throws. As a matter of fact, you're looking at one now that works. This is the older Vega version, but we're going to be rolling out the new Vega version as well as the new Daystar version. And we'll start with those. We may move into Vega Plus, but time will tell. Now, those screens will look and feel no different. Now, when I say look, I mean by appearance. They will look and feel no different than our current plasticized screen. So it's going to be, it'll have a vinyl feel to it, look very much like a purchase screen when you complete the DIY roll or spray. So we're really excited to be able to offer those because it's a UST's best friend. All right. And then I want you to look at this. Now, I've had a few people reach out to me to ask for examples of Kenneth Bird on Crystal Edge Technologies doing the manipulation on his camera. I want you to watch the gray screens closely because it's going to happen. And what you'll notice is the camera's in a stand. He's walking around. He's playing with his remote. The environment doesn't change. There you go. See how he cranked up the exposure on that to make his screen look a little brighter and wash the white screens or the gray screens out again? That's the kind of stuff that you got to be wary of out there, guys. I haven't seen anybody out there trying to do that other than Crystal Edge Technologies, which we know to be a fraud. So if you have any questions related to that, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be glad to discuss it with you if you're considering buying. If not, I think most of you guys probably get it. So with that, I will leave you, and I hope you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye.